Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook cod fillet. First, select fresh, firm fillets, ideally about 1 inch thick, ensuring the best texture and flavor. It is crucial to thoroughly pat the fish dry using paper towels. This step helps achieve a beautiful, crispy crust. Gather your basic ingredients: a little salt, some pepper, good olive oil, and a fresh lemon. These simple items are all you truly need for a delicious dish. Next, season both sides of your dried cod fillets lightly but evenly with a pinch of sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. This simple seasoning enhances the natural taste of the fish. For cooking, choose a heavy-bottomed, oven-safe skillet, such as a sturdy cast iron or stainless steel pan. Make sure the pan is large enough to hold your fillets without crowding them. Proper spacing allows for even cooking and a consistent sear on each piece. Now, heat about 2 tablespoons of high-quality olive oil in your chosen skillet over medium-high heat. You will know it is ready when the oil begins to shimmer slightly. Carefully place your seasoned cod fillets into the hot pan, presenting the skin side down first if your cod has skin, or the best-looking side if it is skinless. Sear the fish undisturbed for a good 2 to 3 minutes until a lovely, golden brown crust starts to develop on the bottom. After searing, carefully transfer the entire skillet with the cod directly into a preheated oven, set to a temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue cooking the fish for an additional 5 to 7 minutes. The exact time depends on the thickness of your fillets. The cod is perfectly cooked when it flakes easily with a fork and reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not overcook it to maintain its tender texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.